What's going on YouTube today? I got a brand new YouTube video for you guys, and as you guys know from the YouTube title, in today's YouTube video we're going to be unboxing the brand new product from Popple. This is the Popple for Magsafe. So this will work with the iPhones that have the Magsafe on the back that allows you to connect the actual product to the back of the phone. So let's get right into the video and open up the packaging here. So right away we get to see the Popple for Magsafe packaging right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. If you guys do not know what Popple is and this is your first time watching a Popple video, or if you're just looking into it and want to learn a little more, this is the perfect video for you. So a brief overview of what Popple is it's a digital business card that allows you to share information really quickly and efficiently, faster than what you could with a paper business card. It allows you to share a lot more than a business card, and it leaves a better impression on the person that you are sharing information with. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. So right away we get to see the Popple Magsafe right here. We get the Activate with Popple app scan to download, so you get to scan that. If you are new to Popple and do not have the Popple app, you can scan that and then you can download their app right there and customize your profile. We'll get into that in just a second. So right here we have the actual product itself. Go ahead and take this out. Networking upgraded, it says right there. It is a pretty thick product here. A lot thicker than usual Popple devices, but on the back right here it looks like we have a magnet, and then towards the front we have the actual Popple logo with a QR code right there. So if you'd like to share your QR code from your product, you can. So on the edges we have what seems almost like a metal siding right here along the edges of the actual Popple device, but overall a really nice product, really nicely built, and feels pretty firm. It's not bent at all, so definitely not made of cheap material. So here I have my phone right here, and if I go to my Popple app right here, as you guys can see, I have customized my own Popple app here to my personal preference. If I go to preview, this is what people will see. So for example, if I share my Popple device with somebody, this page will pop up onto their phone, and then from here they can go ahead and look into my profile and they can click on whatever social media I decided to share. So for example, if they would like to see my Instagram page, they can click on that and automatically it takes them straight to my detailing intent page, which I have chose to share on my Popple profile. So let's go ahead and get this Popple product connected to my Popple profile. So we're going to go ahead here to settings. We're going to go ahead and activate a Popple device. We're going to scroll down here to Popple for Magsafe. And then we're going to go ahead and begin activation. For iPhones, the NFC reader is towards the top, and for Androids, the NFC reader is on the back towards the middle of the actual device. We have an iPhone here, so we're going to go ahead and tap it towards the top of the device. And look at that, successfully activated your Popple device. So now this product will be sharing my information that I've chosen to share on my Popple profile. So here I have the Popple device, and it is now connected to my Popple profile. So let's go ahead and test it out and tap it to the back of an iPhone. So here I have an iPhone 12 Pro. We're going to go ahead and tap it to the back right here. And then the notification pops up just like that. We're going to go ahead and click on the notification, and then my page pops up just like that. So now from here, they can go ahead and click on whatever they'd like to see. So for example, if they would like to see my Instagram, they could go ahead and open that up, and it opens up straight to my Instagram. Now if they would like to see my YouTube, bam, they can click on my YouTube and it'll open up straight to my YouTube just like that. As you guys can see, it opens up literally instantly, and then from there they can even exchange contacts, and then it also gives you the option to share information back with the person that you're popping with. So for example, if I was popping that profile to a potential client, they can put in their email, their name, and their phone number, and even more, so their company, notes on this interaction, job title, etc. And then they could go ahead and connect, and then that information will be sent straight to my Popple profile, and then from there I can go ahead and keep in contact with them and follow up with whatever you guys were doing business with. So let's go ahead and put this on the back of the phone. It does not fall off. Even if I move it side to side like this, upside down, it doesn't fall off. Even with the back of my iPhone being cracked, the Popple device will still work. So let's go ahead and get a Samsung here. Open this Samsung up real quick. Alright, so we have a Samsung here, and then like I said, the NFC reader on Samsungs are towards the middle. Tap it towards the middle and it'll open up the Popple profile just like that, and it does the exact same thing. And let's go ahead and take off the case so we can stick this Popple device a little better to the back of the phone. It sticks a lot better without a case. If you guys had a thinner case, maybe that will also stick a lot better, but you guys can see I'm shaking it pretty well and it just does not fall off. What's falling off is a little piece of the glass off of my phone. So your Popple device will not fall off. If your glass is cracked, a piece of your glass will fall off, so be careful when you do that. We're going to go ahead and do it one more time. Opens up instantly, straight to my Popple profile. We'll go ahead and do it with the iPhone as well, and then we'll get the notification just the same like the Android. So it works literally exactly the same, just a little bit different placement on the NFC readers. If you guys would like to pick one of these up, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza at checkout on Popple on the first link down in the description below to get 20% off your whole entire order. Yes, your whole entire order. So let's go through some features of the actual Popple app itself. So here we have the Popple app. We can go ahead and edit profile right here. We can edit profile details, and from here we can edit, all this stuff. Now Popple does offer a free version, which is just the personal version when you get any Popple device, or they also offer the business version, and this is the pro version of their app. So with this, you will have to pay either a monthly or a yearly fee. That's up to you if you would like to pay it. Personally, I think it is worth it just because you get so many features that work way better than a typical just paper business card. For example, you can share all these links and all these contacts, everything, all this. Now the ones that do have the Popple Pro logo right there, like the Clubhouse, those are Popple Pro exclusive, so that's up to you if you would like to purchase that. But the ones that don't, they come default with the Popple product itself. So then from there, you also get a Popple QR code. So you guys can see, somebody can scan this and it'll take them straight to my Popple profile, do the exact same thing, such as the Popple QR code right here. So let's go ahead and test that out as well. So we go to the camera here on the iPhone, we go ahead and put it right there, bam, scan it, and it opens up literally to the exact same thing as just tapping it with the NFC reader. You also get the ability to see your insights on your Popple, and then you also get to see some leads, so whoever you connected with will show up right here. And then you also get the ability to scan a typical business card with the Popple Pro version. And then not only that, but with Popple you can also only share one link. For example, if I would just like to share my YouTube, all I have to do is click direct, toggle that direct on. So now I will go here to my YouTube, click make direct. So now my YouTube will go straight to the top, and now my YouTube will be direct. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that for you guys. If I go here, bam, tap it to the back of somebody's phone, it'll open YouTube. Take them straight to YouTube. It won't take them to my Popple profile. So for example, if somebody just asked for your Instagram or something, and you would just like to share your Instagram or your YouTube or your Snapchat or something like that, you have the ability to do that. You don't always have to share your whole entire profile. So overall, I feel like this is an amazing product for entrepreneurs and people that just want to get their name out there. This makes it really efficient and saves you a lot of time than having to explain to people what you do or anything like that, or telling them your business name and then having to say each letter out. This will literally save you so much time, and it's super affordable as well. It's a lot cheaper than buying like 1,000 business cards, because this will share much more than what a business card can ever share. You can only fit so much on a business card, but with this you can fit all those links, all those social medias, websites, anything you want on a Popple device. Trust me, investing into a Popple device will be one of the best things you guys can do as entrepreneurs into your business. Not only do they sell these, but they sell other things such as Popple wristbands, Popple flat, like the one that was on the bottom of my phone, just normal Popples that go on the top of your phone. They sell custom cards, anything you want, that if you want to customize with your own branding, your own business on the Popple device, you can do that with Popple. That's what makes them so cool. If you guys would like to purchase one, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza to get 20% off of your product. Overall, this is a great product, very well structured. It definitely does not feel cheap at all. It feels really sturdy. If you guys have any other questions, make sure to comment them down below and I'll reply to them to the best of my ability. This is going to conclude this video. Make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza to get 20% off your whole entire order. Yes, your whole entire order. Do not miss out. Pick up a Popple. You will not regret it. These are amazing products and will definitely help you network and get your name known faster and more efficiently. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.